Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm doing a design with my pink flower wall. I thought that one valance hanger was going to be enough, but the wall is 3D, so I needed to use my 6-inch and 9-inch valance hangers. The colors are pink, blush, ivory, and white. I got those colors from the flowers. Those are the colors in the flowers. So I'm just loading my drapes. I'm measuring. I start on the outside. I work my way on in, just making sure they match. But I have a lot of panels, so I do admit that it can be kind of difficult to make sure everything is nice and even. I'm making a pole cover. I actually made 2 of these, one off camera. Raising it up to the ceiling. Now I've done this design before. So this design I have like a V or a diamond shape in the middle. If you want to learn more about draping, join my channel membership. It should be a button below this video that you can join. So I do monthly live chats, and you also will have access to exclusive content. So I post different videos concerning draping. So there's my diamond shape. Giving the fabric some swag. Doing the same thing to the other side. I also have a digital printout that shows you how to do the swags. I'm just showing you all that gap and how you have to take some of those pipe cleaners off in the center to close that gap up. But this guide will help you with swagging, so you could also find that in the description. So I'm straightening up my bottom. So my last live chat that I did with my membership was how to do the bottom of your drapes. I don't always puddle my drapes, so as you can see in the center, I gave it like a triangular shape. You just want to make sure your drapes have some type of shape to it. The white drapes, they have a linear shape. I'm showing you how the pole can be exposed sometimes when you do these designs. So I use pearl pins and I just close up those openings where you see the pole at. So I'm using fishing line to secure it to the uprights, and then I decided to just put some flowers there. So this is how it turned out. I absolutely love the design. I also love the colors. So as you can see in the middle, I did more of like a flare, and it's like rounded. So I would say, yeah, that's more like a puddle there. But I really love the way this turned out. Please leave your comments below and let me know what you think. Coming up, I'm going to show you how it looked with the uplighting. This uplighting is from Amazon. So here I have like some pink uplighting. It just really helps to enhance the design. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time. Bye.